I wonder what's inside.
I do too. Let's get it open and find out.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Woo! Hi everyone. Yes, we do sometimes send ourselves stuff. But welcome back today. We are in our new space. We finished our basement and we are in our new crafty corner. And today is the day of the big reveal. We are going to show what we did with our wedding dress remake. But if you're just tuning in, here's the backstory. A friend gave us his late daughter's wedding dress to turn into special mementos for the family. We have taken videos on how we started that. You can link out to those in the description. So let's see what we came up with. We're gonna start with showing our square pillows that we made.
I guess I have to do this here now. I took pink and just made little strips to go across the top, and I covered metal buttons, and I put them on the back and the front. These were pretty easy to do.
Next we have our round pillows. And these were, the fabric was cut out during one of our previous videos.
Yes, and the sewed-on part here on the front was cut from the sleeves.
Of the wedding dress.
Yes.
Didn't they turn out beautiful? Next we have our tube-shaped pillow. And that was made from the large decal that was on the front of the wedding dress skirt.
I just put a little pink behind it so that you could see it through the lace.
And if you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you are informed when we release a new video. We did some fun shapes here. We made a heart-shaped pillow, and we were able to get a picture of her on her wedding day in the dress, and we did a vinyl print and actually put it right on the pillow. And then we have our rectangle shaped pillows, and we have decals that were again on the skirt throughout the rest of the skirt of the wedding dress. The wedding dress was white. We do have a lot of pink in all of these pillows. Pink was her favorite color that we were given information by the family, and they were also the color of her flowers, so that's why pink is incorporated in a lot of these pillows. Now we've got a couple of square pillows, the large, medium-sized square pillows.
You want to do one or both?
Pull them both out. Okay. And these were the pieces from the bodice of the wedding dress.
This is the front.
And then this was the back.
And just in case you noticed on this one, I had a waistline, and she's got a bust. It was already in the fabric of the dress, so I just filled it so that it looked natural.
And it turned out beautifully. And last but not least, let's go for the big one, the team lift here. This pillow was made from the train. And we all know how eloquent that train was. It's made from the side sets of bows.
There's one more set of bows, but that's going to be a surprise in another video.
And here it all is. Remember, this all came from one wedding dress. And it's going to be very exciting to be able to get this to the family and see their reaction to this. Yes. It's been an honor to be able to put this project together for them. And it's meant a lot to be able to spend time with Mom creating this project as well. Woohoo! Layer one is done. what we can do with this. But there you have it. I wonder what we could do with this.
I wonder.
So what do you think about this piece?
I think that would look nice on a round pillow.
And there it is. So, oh look, and it's even already round. We could probably, could we like lay some pink silk underneath that?
That would look really nice.
And then the bows would shine off of that.
Yeah. And this is what it would look like.
And then we actually have 2 sleeves, so we could make two pillows out of that. I like that, very nice.
That would be pretty. And what do we got next? There, and that will be for the back of the pillow.
Smile at the camera this time.
Who's getting there first?
It's not a race. But it was me.
Ta-da! Okay. Very good.
Oh my God. Well, now that the middle has been freed, the earthquake just came upon us. We can see what we have left to work with for the giant square pillow.
You might want to stand up. I can't see from down there, can you?
Are you implying I'm short along with you?
All right.
We have all the pieces cut out and pinned together. So now we are going to sew the 2 pieces together and make the pillowcase. Just keep working our way around the outside of the wedding dress fabric that will be our pillowcase. Put a lot of pins on the outer edge of our wedding dress fabric due to the
Slipperiness
of the fabric. And extra pins will hold that together while you try to sew it. Coming down to our final corner here. Pivot the corner, and then she'll reverse it to lock it in place.
There we go. Okay, we've got this all sewed together. I've still got
3 edges of it.
Yeah, I've still got pins in here because there's some hand tacking that I have to do yet. So that is still there like that, but this is what it's going to look like. Get the points out here and up here, and we left this open right here so that we can put the pillow inside of it. It's going to be like this, and then on the other side, and then we'll put the pillow in it so you can see what it's going to look like.
We left the 4th side of the pillowcase open, obviously, to shove the pillow in through there. So the final step would be folding the seams over and hand stitching them, and we will get to that later and get back to you shortly. See you in the craft aisle.